Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. I hope you all are doing wonderfully well. Today I'm making this delicious all-purpose tomato stew. This stew is so easy to make, and trust me, you are going to love it at the end of this video. And so if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Let's get started. Okay, so in the pot I've added in my cooking oil, and I'm going to add in some natural spices to give the oil extra flavor. And I'm going in with some coriander seed, dried rosemary, bay leaves. I also add in some cloves, and this way it will help your oil smells really good and also makes the stew taste really good as well. The curry powder is a game changer when you fry it in the oil like this, trust me on this one. So I'll go in with some chopped onions as well. And don't worry about it at all, because I'm going to list everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. I was so much in hurry, that's why I didn't show you all the ingredients before I started cooking, but I'm going to put it in the description box for you to check it out. So after adding in the onions, I'm going in with some blended garlic and ginger, and to that I'm also going to add in my blended pepper and some onions. And I'm going to stir everything together and allow it to simmer down very well. This tomato stew recipe, we call it no time to waste tomato stew. Everything is shabu shabu, yes. I remember when I was a kid, my mommy used to prepare this stew every Saturday morning, because this stew is so easy to make. It doesn't require a lot of ingredients. It is also inexpensive, and trust me, you're going to love it at the end of making this tomato stew, because I didn't add in any meat, any mackerel or whatsoever, but trust me, we all enjoyed it, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. Yeah, you don't have any excuse to make that. You don't have meat, you don't have fish, that's why you don't want to prepare anything. Trust me, give this recipe a try and you will come back and thank me later. Okay, so that was just by the way. Okay, so I've been cooking this sauce for about 20 minutes now, and I've been stirring it in between the 20 minutes time duration, so it's looking all good now. So I'll go in with some basil leaf. This is akoko mesa, and it's really going to give the stew extra flavor. Okay, so now I'm not going to use fresh tomatoes. You can either use it if you want. So I'll go in with some tomato paste, stir everything together, cover it and allow it to cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. And to my lovely returning subscribers and new babies right here, you guys are too much. High five to everyone. Thank you for liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos. I am truly grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. So after extra 10 minutes, this is how the stew looks like. It's looking all good, but it's not ready. So I'm going to stir everything well and add in some water, because I don't have any meat stock on me right now. So if you have any meat stock, it is going to be a game changer, trust me. So I added in the water because I want the tomatoes to really cook very well. So when you don't see any water in your sauce or in your stew again, that means your tomato stew is ready. So after extra 10 minutes, let's stir the stew again and cover it to cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes on a medium heat. Alright, so after extra 10 more minutes, the stew is looking good. At this point, I was just loving the smell. So next I'm going to go in with my seasoning, and the seasoning and the salt is always to your taste. I added in 1 tablespoon of onga stew seasoning powder. I also have some leftover curry powder, some seasoning salt, and a salt to taste. Okay, stir everything together and allow this to cook until it is nice and ready. And trust me, the seasoning you add to this tomato stew is very important. Don't use any seasoning that it will make this tomato stew look like tomato nimu akakakra. We don't want that because we didn't add in any meat. So make sure to seasoning your stew very well, and also to make sure not to use too much seasoning to cause your tomato stew to be very spicy. Okay, and so let me know in the comment section what you're going to pair with this kind of tomato stew. Trust me, my family really enjoyed themselves, and I hope you're going to give this recipe a try. I'll be enjoying mine with some rice. You can enjoy this with banku, plantain, yam, just name it, guys. So now let's serve and enjoy ourselves. If you enjoyed this video and you're still watching this video at this point, kindly do subscribe, like, comment, and share this video, and please turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you be among the first person to be notified. And if you watch this video to this point, that means you are a proud foodie member. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. Bye bye and stay blessed.